A collective noun is the name of a collection of persons or things taken together and spoken as one whole. Collective noun. From the name itself, children, you can understand that collective noun stands for a collection of things. When we talk about many things as one group, then it is called as a collective noun. Like if there are 10 keys in one key ring, then we will call it as a bunch of keys. Bunch of keys. If there are many steps, सीढ़ियाँ, many steps in the staircase, then we call it a flight of steps. Bunch of grapes. Okay, army of soldiers. So such words are taken as collective nouns. I am reading some examples to you. A collection of soldiers is called army. A collection of keys or grapes is called bunch. A collection of dogs is called pack. If there are 10 dogs moving on the street, then you will say a pack of dogs are going. A collection of ships or cars is called fleet. A fleet of ships or a fleet of cars. Okay, so I am repeating the definition once again. Collective noun refers to a collection of things. When we take many things and consider it as one group, then it is called a collective noun. So these were some of the important kinds of noun. We have done 4 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, and collective noun. Proper noun will include the name of any person, name of any place, or name of anything. When specifically we are talking, then it will be a proper noun. If we have not mentioned any name of place, we have not mentioned any particular name of a thing or any particular name of a person, then we are talking about common noun. That means we are generalizing a thing. Suppose I say, he is my best friend. I am not mentioning the name of my friend. So here friend is going to be common noun. Then next is abstract noun. When we talk about any sudden feeling or emotion which we can feel but we cannot see or touch, any such thing, any such quality, any such feeling which we can feel but we can't see or touch is called an abstract noun. For example, heat, beauty, wisdom, love, anger, truth, height, depth, etc. All this we can feel but we can't see or touch. Then collective noun refers to a collection of persons or things. Some examples I have read out to you. A collection of soldiers is called army of soldiers. A collection of keys or bunch is called bunch of grapes or bunch of keys. Then many dogs will be called as a pack of dogs. A collection of ships or cars will be called as a fleet. So what you have to do is just keep revising all the rules, keep revising whatever in exercise form you have done in your copy, and in my PDF I have given you some practice questions. I have mixed up the literature and the grammar part so that you know what kind of questions can be asked from reader and what supplementary reader also, and what kind of things can be asked from grammar. You will get a practice and you will get an idea also how will you attempt the paper. And still, if you have any query, if you have any kind of doubt, you can contact me on my personal WhatsApp number. Send me a message and I will give you your reply. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. All the very best for your exams.